Hi friends, welcome to Feather Kids. This is the 12th video from our hand feeding series. Let's have a quick look from inside of the brooder. See how comfortably they are sleeping. A nice, warm, clean, comfortable environment. Now the temperature is between 29 to 30 degrees centigrade and humidity is 60%. This brooder is a DIY. We already shared the DIY video. In case you had missed the video, you can check it. Link is provided in the description box. Before going into detail, a gentle reminder, please subscribe Feather Kids and hit the bell icon so that every time you get notification whenever we upload a new video. So here is the hand feeding schedule. 0 to 6 days old baby bird should feed 12 times in a day, every 2 hours round the clock. 7 to 13 days old baby bird should feed 10 times approx in a day, every 2.5 hours round the clock. And 14 to 21 days old baby bird should feed 7 to 8 times approx in a day. Remember, always clean baby bird mouth with a damp cotton before and after feed. Place mixed formula food bowl in another bigger pan or bowl of having same temperature water, which will help to maintain the temperature of food inside bowl. Now feeding time. Today Momo is 12 days old. Just notice his growth. Look, he's asking for more food and trying to make sound. It is very cute, isn't it? During swallowing food, they make this sound and they did this tap dance. Hold their head firmly, so avoid accidental choke. Clean the face after feeding with a damp cloth. Cleaning the face after feeding has huge benefit. It not only keeps the baby clean, it also ensures No fungus or yeast buildup from food left over on their face. This is Pizza, 10 days old baby. If baby bird is not opening their mouth, then softly massage their beak. It will encourage the baby bird to open their mouth. See how loud sound they are making. Some food is getting in his face, so need to clean. See how Momo is asking for food. Now here we need to be little strict. Remember, never give extra food. Extra food can harm baby bird. If you feel their crop too much, then crop movement will slow down or stop, which can lead to their death. Baby birds should not be fed more than 10% of their body weight. It is best practice to take baby bird weight in the morning and note it down and feed accordingly whole day. This is Taco, 9 days old baby. Before taking the formula from bowl, mix it every time. Feed them slowly. Clean the mouth every time before keeping them back to basket. Now it's Popcorn, 11 days old baby. He's very lazy. Look, while everyone is asking for food, he's simply sleeping. Now he understands it is his turn. This is chicken, 8 days old baby. In today's video, we show you feeding of 5 baby bird. We already feed Deadpool and Kaju at the starting, as they are younger than other babies, so they take more time to eat. So we cut that video portion as the video is already getting long. Now it's time for some myth and fact. Myth is clean the bedding once a day. Fact is wet, dirty bedding invites germs to cause illness. Babies can easily get cold. Sometimes it can lead to static crop or other health issues. Another myth is humidity does not affect baby bird health. The fact is humidity should never be less than 50%. Insufficient humidity impacts baby bird skin, body, eyes. Skin used to become very dry and baby bird used to feel very uncomfortable. Less humidity also delay for baby bird to open their eyes. Normally 7 to 8 days old healthy baby bird are managed to open their eyes completely without any issue. But in lesser humidity environment, even 11 days older baby bird unable to open their eyes properly. Now here are some tips. Feed every 2 hours round the clock for day 1 to day 6 old baby. For day 7 to day 13, feed every 2.5 hours round the clock. Every time prepare fresh food. Never use leftover. Always massage the crop after feeding. It will release air from crop and help to digest food. Before feeding, always check the crop. It should be empty. After feeding, clean mouth with damp cotton. Change the bedding in every 2 hours or whenever it became wet and dirty. For day 1 to day 6, brooder temperature should be maintained between 30 degrees centigrade to 31 degrees centigrade. From day 7 to day 14, brooder temperature should be maintained between 29 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade. Humidity should never be less than 50%. Holding the head gently and firmly in place not only reduce the risk of choking or aspiration, also benefit of less messy faces to clean up. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.